And we're back to learning Affinity day 2. Let me show you how I can change the language. There are actually two options and it might confuse you because here under account settings on the top left, you'll find the option to change the language. Got it set to German here and you can see my Affinity is actually English. It says welcome on the top left, and if I change this to English right here, this only changes my profile. So that's the Canva Affinity profile, you could say. It has got nothing to do with the software. If you actually want to change the language in the software itself, create a new document. So click on the plus sign on the top right, create document, then go to edit at the top. Find the settings, make sure you are on the general, and then scroll down all the way to the bottom, and here it says language. Be aware that there is this asterisk, so it requires a restart if you change the language for it to be active. For the tutorials that I'm making here for my YouTube channel, I'm going to use English, United States. So if you want to make sure that everything is spelled the same, looks the same, when you follow my tutorials, then make sure here to pick English, United States as well. Restart Affinity, and that should change your language. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.